Have you ever looked at your paycheck and thought, how is it possible that I'm working this hard and I'm still just barely scraping by? Well, you're not alone. Millions of good, hardworking people feel trapped in exactly the same cycle. Money in, money out, nothing left to show for it. And it's not because you're lazy, careless, or bad with money. It's because no one ever taught us how to make money work for us. We were only taught how to earn it. My name is Gary Glass. I worked as a plumber and then later as an engineer and a manager at NASA. And for years, I lived paycheck to paycheck too. I thought that once I made more money, it'd get easier. But it didn't. Every raise came with higher expenses, and the pressure never stopped. I realized the problem wasn't my paycheck. It was my plan. The breakthrough, it came when I learned to stop focusing on just earning and started focusing on building. I began creating cash-flowing assets, small at first, that eventually started paying me instead of draining me. And slowly, that constant financial stress started to fade. I've seen everyday people make that very same shift and completely transform their lives because when you stop working only for money and you start letting money work for you, I tell you, everything changes. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, here's what helps break that cycle. First, track where every dollar goes. Shoot, track where every penny goes. Because clarity comes before freedom. Second, save a small portion consistently. I don't care even if it's only $20 a week. It's about the habit, not the amount. And third, learn to build or buy assets that create income while you sleep. And finally, most importantly, fourth, change the story in your head from I can't to I am learning how. If this hits home, you're not stuck. You're just one shift away from freedom. So follow my page for more real, practical steps to get out of the paycheck to paycheck trap. Then share this with a friend who's in the very same grind, but ready for a way out. Because financial peace doesn't come from earning more. It comes from building better.